Meaning of cycle-rickshaw. Cycle-rickshaw. Cycle-rickshaw.
Cycle-rickshaw. Cycle-rickshaw. A cycle-rickshaw is a small, three-wheeled vehicle that is human-powered. It is commonly used as a mode of transport in many Asian countries, including India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. The driver sits on a seat behind the passengers and pedals the rickshaw forward. The passengers sit in a small compartment at the front of the rickshaw, which is covered by a canopy for shade. Cycle rickshaws are often used for short journeys and can navigate narrow streets and alleys. They are an affordable and environmentally friendly form of transportation.